Hello guys, today I will show you the unbox video of the Huawei HW2020 Bluetooth speaker. I didn't purchase this one. I got a gift from Huawei, two speakers. These are same. This is already I used. So I will show you. This is in the online, I think in Amazon around 30 or something USD. So this is the speaker model HW2020. These are the specs. You can see it has 1200 milliamp battery inbuilt. It can use without the power. It has inbuilt battery, and this is Bluetooth. Once you charge fully around 4 hours, you can use it. Let me show you the unboxing. Okay guys, and I will show you what are the things available inside, so you can see it. You can see this is Huawei gift. I got the gift from the Huawei, but you can purchase online. This is very good Bluetooth speaker for your computer, for the laptop. You can use inside your room, and it has very nice sound. I am using this speaker around 3 years and connected to power for USB my PC. 24 hours it connected. There's no I don't remove, because then it will continuously I can use it. I don't use with the battery. It will turn off after 3 to 4 hours continuously if you use. So I use with charger, so it connected. Once you connect to your PC, forever you can use. No need to worry about that one. Okay guys, let me open the new one. Okay guys, this is a brand new one. Actually I got both together. I use only one. This is also around 3 years old, but just first time I'm opening the box after 3 years. This is the device. You can see this is a gift, and nothing else. Only you have the USB cable, which you nothing else. Only there's other paperwork. You can connect this USB cable to the behind. You can see the C port, and there's a LED and the reset button, and connect to your PC, and you don't want to worry about the charging anything. You can use. Okay guys, this is a button, turn on turn off button, and pairing for the Bluetooth. I think there's no charge, and you have volume up, volume down, and for the next and back, these two buttons, and the sticker about the model and how many ohms, 5 watts this one, the sound, and 1200 milliamp power, 3.7 battery is available. Bluetooth speaker. So let me connect this to the charger. Once you connect, you will see there's a charging light. It will indicate, and this is a reset button here. So it doesn't have charge, so it will turn on like this. There's a different colors here, and the sound is very nice. So this is the existing one which I use, and this is a new one. So you can open your Bluetooth in the PC. Okay, this is already connected here. So if you want to connect new one, see that the sound which when the battery is low, that is the sound you will listen, that like that. If you want to connect this device to your PC, you have to open your Bluetooth and add new device here and search for a Bluetooth connection. So you will see here HW2020. So select the device, it will connect. You see, once it connect, you got the sound, because you can see here two HW20 this is my old one, this is new one, so you can use both together like two speakers, or you can use one. I cannot put any songs there because of the copyright issue, but believe me, this is a very good speaker. The sound is very good, very nice. If you put maximum, it's very good for watching movies and long lasting, and you can connect your power forever and no need to worry about charging, and you can bring outside also. Good for your computer if you want to buy something speaker. This is very good, guys, and you have nice lights, you can see, even night time it's good. Okay guys, nothing special, just Bluetooth speaker, and you can connect your PC. No headache guys, this is very good. You can buy two and keep it both side. Okay guys, thank you.